Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to recover streaks on Snapchat without paying. So here's how you can do this. But first of all, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on to the video. So first, what we'll need to do is to simply launch or open the Snapchat app on your device. And then after that, click onto your profile on the upper left corner of your screen, just like here. And after that, go to the gear icon on the upper right corner of your screen to open up the settings. And then just scroll down uh, until you see this right here on your screen that says support, and under the support section you're going to tap onto the I need help. And then after loading this for a few seconds, you will see this on your screen, and just simply tap onto to I lost my snap streak. After this, just scroll down. You will see some steps that you need to follow in order to restore your streak in the app. So just follow this simple step right here. And that is all for this video, and I hope that this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.